Hey y'all, it's Danielle Jones here from Large Family Homestead. You guys have seen us post over and over again what we do, a day in the life this. Every season we post a day in the life. And Brooke said, you know what would be fun? If we documented all the things that happen in a week that are beyond the day in the life. So the stuff that we're just spur of the moment working on, or whatever is new and unique in our schedule. So today is Sunday, June 22nd, and here's the fun stuff going on around here today. So Brian is just finishing up. I caught him on the tail end. He was a friend's diesel truck.
Yep.
Did not have air, or only had air temporarily or something.
We just put a brand new compressor on it for him.
So he helped him out today with a new compressor.
New receiver dryer.
What else?
New orifice tube.
Yeah.
People are probably like, orifice
whatever,
tube? What's that?
Right. But this is what you had going on this morning.
But that's what we did, yep.
Yeah. Well,
we did all
you
that.
And the boys, yep.
And it's ready to rock.
So it was a project today.
Yep.
All right, cool. What are we doing now?
Oh, gutters.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
Finally hanging some gutters?
Finally hanging some gutters.
Awesome.
Yeah.
You picked like a day of 100-degree temperatures to do that.
Yeah. Well, needs to be done. Because we don't want to run into foundation issues.
Yeah.
Joe, can you grab my pliers there? Right there. And just crimp this on.
Looking good.
Yeah, they're looking great. We got this whole section ready.
Nice.
So you just crimp these on like that.
What a great project. This is what is done a lot around here right now. Lots of swimming. Your baby is your baby's running away. Alright, you guys are getting me all wet. So something that we're doing is we got asked to volunteer at our local city park. We're just going to weed a couple of the smaller beds here, get that done, but I'm not going to be able to show it to you guys because I'm going to live stream while we're doing it since we're here by ourselves, so it doesn't matter. But I'll show you guys the before and the after. We got asked to do 2 beds. So this one, you can sort of see the grass. It was a very small, they didn't want to call a whole work day for it. The project coordinator did not want to call a whole work day for it because there was very little to do. So it's just like all this grass in the front here. There's probably some back there to get, and on that side. And then this bed looks a little worse, but same thing going on here. We have this nut grass growing up everywhere in the bed. So hopefully we're hoping to have it done in like an hour. We're here like evening time, like 8 o'clock, because it's cool out. It's a good time to do this. The sun's not out, it's not hot. In Texas, we try and stick our chores to the early morning and later night if we can. So this is the before, and I'll show you guys the after. And here's the afters. See, all that nut grass is gone. It looks so much better. It's just the flowers now. That's all that's sitting here. And the muley grass and the salvia. These are vincas, by the way. Do really good in Texas. We also did that one, which I didn't show at the beginning. And finally, we did this one. I think I showed this one. So it was not that bad. We were here for like 40 minutes, so that's not bad at all.
It's Monday the 23rd, and a few of us are heading to a local thrift store as well as the library. All right, we just got out of the thrift store and we did some looking around, and Joshua found these really, really nice boots. They're like practically new that he got for $6.50.
So the boys strung off more area for the cows' new pasture today, and they're digging holes all the way down here to this post that's standing here. So you can see they marked off here, and then they also marked off this side as well. So it's gonna go way back They're gonna have all this area, all that tree area, all the way back to way behind. You see where those electrical lines are? They're gonna be behind that, closer to the trees back there. So they're gonna have a ton of space. This is probably double or triple the space that they have now. Plus they'll still have the old space. But we're doing this, one, so we can separate some if we need to. Two, because we have all of this grass that we're literally not using for anything. So it doesn't make sense to not be using it for anything. So we've been letting it grow out all year, and the cows are gonna eat it. And there's Marigold. Hi, Mary.
Should I build a new
She knows her name. Hi, Marigold. Who's a good girl? Her name's literally been Marigold since the day she was born. It's the sweetest thing. And Samuel's still working on that. But that's what they got done with the fence today. So it's Tuesday. I think it's June 24th. Me and Dad left at like 8 o'clock this morning because we have to go to work. It is like 1:30ish now, and we're getting ready to actually head back. Just waiting on Dad because we have to drive separately on the way back. So Dad does used cars, so we come here to look for cars, and then if we get one, we're going back. So because there's only 2 of us, so they can only take 1 car at a time. So yeah, that's why I'm in the driver's seat right now.
Good morning, y'all. It is Wednesday, June 25th. We were up before it was even light out. It is myself, Johnny, Joshua, Dad. We are making the 2-hour trip to get melons for Joshua to sell, and that's what we're doing this morning. Hard to see on camera. You can see the rainbow?
Yeah.
Because it just looks like a streak of light coming out of the sky on my phone. It's a very beautiful rainbow. Now it's a double rainbow.
Well, you can see it.
You can see the bright one, yeah. There's another one there. I can't. There we go. There's our windshield's dirty. Actually a complete rainbow all the way over. That is wild. It is a big rainbow. It is Thursday. Is it the 26th?
I don't know.
What do you
Probably
got going
somewhere.
on? You see, you got the sunroof closed.
Yeah, I got the sunroof. Yeah, the clips break on them. I can't open it because I finally got it closed.
Yeah,
But
don't open it.
No. There's clips up here in the front
Yeah.
on all the Ford Edge. So if you have a Ford Edge or a Lincoln MKX and your sunroof won't close, it's probably just the clips up front here. But you do have to rip the entire headliner and glass and everything out.
So what do you have? Clips
Takes
on
about-
order?
I have the 2 clips, but they do give you aluminum clips from Amazon instead of the plastic clips that
Oh,
always
they
break.
last better?
Yeah, they're like plastic guides.
Cool.
So we'll put in some aluminum clips, and it should last way longer than actually the factory.
Very cool.
So yep, we'll make it
So
better
you're
than new.
Fixing up this car to sell?
We're fixing up this car to sell. Yep, 2012 Lincoln. Nobody
Nice.
wanted it because the sunroof stuck open, and
Yeah, but they're not really a big deal.
no, nobody. Well, they are. They take about 4 or 5 hours. A shop will probably charge you about 8 and a couple $100 in parts. So
Wow.
you'll probably spend $800 to $1,000. That's just a regular shop.
It's a nice car though. It looks clean and everything.
Beautiful car. Beautiful car.
Very
Yep,
cool.
we got an awesome deal just because the 2 clips from Amazon are actually $25.
Wow.
So if you know how to put them in and you want to brave it, YouTube has some videos on some people doing
YouTube
them.
can teach you anything, I guess.
But it looks pretty scary when you watch the YouTube. I was a little.
Yeah,
You
but you've done
really-
it before.
I've done it before, and we're gonna do it again.
Yeah.
Because it just saved us a ton of money.
Yeah,
Because
nice.
you get 1,000 to 2,000.
What are you doing with the scanner?
We have an engine misfire,
Okay.
so we just need some plugs and coils, I think.
Cool.
Not a big deal.
All right,
So,
have a great day.
thanks.
What are you up to?
Watching.
Man in the watermelon station for Josh.
I knew I'm not.
Where's Josh at?
Oh, that's the end.
You got a lemonade stand going on?
I thought so.
Yeah. Where's Josh?
Oh, that's the end.
Oh, doing something at the land?
We did shake the 8 of them.
So you're in charge right now?
Mm-hmm.
You got a walkie? So you can talk to him? Say hi, Josh. See if he answers you.
Not on.
You gotta have it on. How are you supposed to call him?
It won't turn on.
How many melons have been sold since yesterday? 10?
Put it down.
I think 10, right? 10 melons? Very cool. Did you... Oh, there's Josh. Here he comes. Just getting our week in the life. We were talking about melon sales. You've sold 10 so far?
Yep.
Very cool. He can't get the walkie on. All right, have a good hot day. It is Friday, June 27th, and Bailey has already started a very yummy apple cake for us. That's her big project of the day, and she's pretty much done. Beautiful for the weekend. Thank you, Bailey.
Time for a fence update this morning. So I believe they have just been digging more posts up that row or that row. I see the post hole digger over there, so probably this row. I think we got cement the other day. I know that because I went to go get it. We got, I think, enough cement to do the rest of the posts that we have. So I don't know if you guys know, but this is how we do them. We dig holes, we cement them in. So far it's been working great. For that fence for the last years, you can see Mary, the little white spot next to the next to the hay. Right there, she's laying down chewing the cud. Hi, Mary! And the geese. But yeah, still working on that. We're hoping to have it done before the boys go away, because it would be nice to be able to separate them while they're gone, so then us girls don't have to deal with the bull every day. We don't have to actually go in with him. We can just feed him from outside. Eating breakfast? Hi, Tammy. Where's your boyfriend? Huh? You hanging with the chickens? You guys eating breakfast? Where's your boyfriend, Tammy? Let's see. Tommy! Tommy! Oh, I hear him. Oh, there he is. There he is. Hey, Tommy. Hey, Tommy. Oh, you're a good boy. What you working on, Josh?
A bottle calf feeder.
Wait, I thought you did one yesterday.
Little move broke it.
No, that's nice of him.
I'm gonna put it inside the stall this time. Hang it right up in.
So it worked? It fed the baby
Yeah,
yesterday?
the baby couldn't even move it. It worked.
Oh, he
great.
couldn't move it at all.
No,
That's
it
great.
didn't even pop out, nothing. Nice fit.
And then little Moo came over and, yeah, I don't like this anymore. What did he do? Use his horns?
Yup.
Of course he did. Him and his horns. They're his greatest asset. All right, so you're making another one.
Yup.
Awesome.
I have the top to it. I'm just gonna use the broken top.
Oh, you have the broken?
It'll still work to hold it in there.
Right.
Just to get around this.
Right.
Because this part took me forever to make, so.
Right. Yeah, I hear you. Dad's gonna mow the pathways in the garden this morning too. Try and get that done. It seriously needs done. Literally though, in Texas, you could mow in Texas probably twice a week if you wanted to. It's just that. Oh, he's coming back. It's just that stuff grows that fast here. How many melons have you sold, Josh?
34.
34 melons sold. You think you'll sell the rest today? Or next week?
Probably next week.
So next week maybe?
Yep.
So if you guys enjoyed our what was happening this week video. Please let us know down in the comments and we'll consider making another one next week. But thank you for coming along and seeing what projects we had. Make sure you give us a thumbs up, and if you're new, don't forget to subscribe.